What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button down below to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And as you guys can tell, I am starting the video in the car because we're gonna go to the grocery store and get some food. I mean, my mom just went grocery shopping, so I just want to go buy what I want, like some snacks and all that good stuff. So I'm taking you guys along with me. But before we get driving, hold on, I'm hella thirsty. It's so fucking hot out here. It's 103. Ugh, don't you guys just love it when your car is just so dusty? Don't you guys just love that? I mean, I'm going to mount you guys on the dash, and I have to hurry up because my sister comes out at 2 and my mom has to pick her up. And I left D'Angelo with her. He's currently asleep right now, so I have time to go get things done. She gave me a list of what she forgot at the grocery store. Same. I bought this crap thing for the dash so I can put you guys on here so I could do like car vlogs or whatever. And let's see if it works. It's like a sticker. So this goes in the dash. It could go like that. Okay. Technical difficulties. I feel like this is gonna be way too high. Oh god. Why is this so... I don't like that. Alright, this is pissing me off. Oh, that didn't work. I'll see what's up with it when I come back. Let me just put that away. Where's my tape? Old school. Let's just tape you guys. It's the best I could do. So I'm going to show you guys how y'all look right now. So that's how you guys currently look. You guys are set up with freaking tape that doesn't even work. This is the tape. Okay, I have a huge mess, you guys. Alright, well, let's get going. We are going to go to Walmart. I keep forgetting I have a camera, backup camera. What is he doing? Oh, he's just parking his car outside. Let's get going. Hopefully you guys don't fall. I'm telling you guys right now. I low-key want some noodles. We're already here. It literally takes 3 minutes. You know what I hate about driving? I hate the people. You see, he's coming in hot for no reason. People scare me. Here's a bump and y'all are gonna fall. There's like no freaking parking. Oh my god, he scared me. You know what? Let's just park right here. Alright, we made it. Now let's go to Walmart. Hate being a grown-ass bitch. You just want to be at home chilling, not doing shit, you know. But all right, I think I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's see. That was a mission. I'm tired. Grocery shopping can be tiring. Let me just call my mom and tell her that I am on my way before, because my sister needs to get picked up. Let me just wait for that lady to come out and then I'll go. There was this weird ass guy kept staring at me when I was shopping. This weird ass They kept looking at me. It was so annoying. This is why I don't like coming shopping by myself. I always have to have Tony or someone at least. I literally get so much anxiety when I shop by myself. It's not even funny, you guys. I need to like take some type of anxiety pills because this is not it. I need to eat something. You know what? I'm probably going to, you know, do a little mukbang with some noodles because that sounds fire. Y'all fucking flew. I just got here. So let's just unload everything. Alright, so this is all I got. My mom is currently making some frijoles charros. Oh my goodness, this smells so bomb. And I think she just got done making some carne asada. Anda, mi papi. Are you shy? You so shy, buddy? Yeah, mommy left without you. Mommy left without you. Sorry. You want watermelon? Watermelon? Oh my god, you guys. He loves watermelon. What's that?
What is that? Watermelon?
Yeah, watermelon. Sandia. ¿Quieres? I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. And you guys, look how cute this shirt is. From TJ Maxx. Come on now. Look at the fit. Boys in the hood. Black shorts. And some white sneakers. First of all, I've been meaning to get these. The black noodles, the one everybody eats. Syrup for D'Angelo's breakfast. I got some Chips Ahoy. The party size, you guys. There's no more, what's that called? Like family size? Party size. Some cheese, some strawberries, cheese crackers for the kids. Some Dano, these little yogurt things for the kids. And of course, I had to think about my boo-boo, Tony. Had to get him some of his oatmeal cream pies, his favorite. We got some pads, because your girl is on her month. Some mac and cheese for the kids. Tropical Punch Minute Maid, Capri Suns for the kiddos. Some grapes, D'Angelo's favorite, everybody's favorite. Some chorizo, some Roman lettuce, some weenies. I have some eggs and some cucumbers to pair up with my noodle. I just want you guys to take a look at my makeup real quick. Now I have a lot, well, not a lot, but I have clothes, D'Angelo's clothes to fold. I just folded mine, so we're gonna do a little time lapse of me folding clothes. And also I'm going to show you guys what I got from Shein. My first time ordering from Shein, and I ordered clothes from them because it was like 2 weeks ago. I just got here today. I ordered from them because I just wanted to try it out, and I see a lot of people rocking their clothes and it's super cute, so I was like, you know what, why not? And for me, I hate online shopping when it comes to my clothes. I just don't like online shopping, especially for jeans. I will never order jeans from anywhere. That's just me. I need to try them on. Like, jeans run so stupidly weird. But yeah, I ordered some clothes because we are going to a Disneyland like next week. Yes, we're going to Disneyland next week. Oh my god, it's already about to be September. We are going to be celebrating D'Angelo's 2nd birthday, and stay tuned for that, you guys. I am going to be vlogging, of course. But yeah, I'm so freaking excited. I still need to go shopping for D'Angelo. He's gonna be so excited, you guys. He watches all of the Disney movies. He is like a Disney lover. He loves to watch Disney. So yeah, I'm going to be vlogging out there. Going to be capturing everything. I need to get back on my vlogging grind. I did not know I hit 400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for showing me so much love every single day. It's like people really do love watching me. empty ass bed, it's because, ooh, excuse me, I'm washing my blankets right now, my sheets. So this is my package. So let's just get right into it and just open this bitch. Look. First package. Let's see. So this is a 2-piece. It comes with this. Oh, this is so. Ooh. Oh man. Hold up. I'm trying to see if it fits me. Oh yeah, it'll fit me. Heck yeah, it'll fit me. Okay, this is a little red top. It has like what is it called? What is this called? Like one shoulder, off the shoulder thing. I just hope it holds like my boobs. This is super cute. It's a 2-piece. It's a pretty red. And the, oh my god, these are such good material. Oh, I'm short though. Hold them up. They're gonna have to be like a little oversized. These are what are these called? Like jogger material, like tracksuit, but they're like very like fresh type of tracksuit. I don't know. Let me try them on real quick. I have my biker shorts on. They're cute. Don't mind my little lonjitas. I'm working on it. But let me try to show you guys. They're super comfortable. Oh my gosh. And it has like a pocket right here. They're super cute. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, I love them. Shout out Lex. His freaking slides are amazing. On to the next. We have a flannel. Fall is coming. I got this extra large oversized flannel. Oh, it's so cute. It better fit me. Super oversized. Oh, that's so cute. It's really good material. And I meant to get it in an XL just because I want the oversized look. Super cute. Obsessed. The next one I got was, oh yeah, this is like a 1-piece. Oh, this is so cute. So like a little romper, and it has these type of top on top, like a little tank top, and like an opening in the back. Super cute. You can pair these up with some sneakers. Oh my god, the material's amazing. And just as an FYI, I got everything in a large. And you can always pair it up with like this flannel. Oh, that's cute. Next outfit I got. Oh yeah, this is a 2-piece bottoms look. Very good material. These better fit good. They're pretty stretchy. I like these. They're cute. And it has the gray top. This little gray tank. The little gray tank. Super cute with the biker shorts. So cute. I ordered some sticky bras. Oh my god, I did not know it came in a 2-pack. So I got these ones because I really want to wear like that, like this type of tank, and I don't want no straps showing. So of course I got this to hold up the girls. I used to own like a lot of these because my old job would sell them and I would get some, and they work super good. I like how, oh my god, I'm shook. I thought I only paid for one. This is the last. Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah, oh yeah, this one's cute because I got a matching set for D'Angelo so we can match. Oh yes, girl, I like this type of length. And it's pretty oversized. It's huge. Oh my god. It's humongous, but it's okay. I could rock it. I could probably loop it in the front or something, but it says Los Angeles. Los Angeles. Fuck, I should have got this one in a medium. I didn't know the shirt was gonna be that big, but if I would have got it in medium, the shorts wouldn't have fit me. So never mind. I think that's just the look. It's just an oversized shirt. I like it though. It's cute. It's super cute. This and the shorts, cute as fuck. Oh, and this one. Oh, I thought it was gonna be matching. Mine's more of a very, very dark blue, maybe. And this is D'Angelo's. This is more of a blue. This is more blue, like you guys can see. Blue, mine's navy. Oh yeah, it's very, it looks more blue on camera. So we got the little one, the Los Angeles, and his little shorts. How freaking cute. And then for some earrings, I got these gold earrings. They're like gold hoops. They're so fucking cute. These ones, they look the same, but they're much more smaller and less thicker. And the other pair, they're these ones right here. These are much more bigger and way more thinner. You guys can tell the size difference. All right, so this is how I look at the end of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Click the bell button to get notified every single time I upload a new video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And once again, thank you guys so much for helping me reach 400 subscribers. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. But good night, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.